Once upon a time, there was a raven, sad, lonely, and deeply unhappy with his life. One day, he sat quietly on a tree branch, tears rolling down his dark feathers. Down below, a monk was sitting under the same tree, lost in his thoughts. Suddenly, a teardrop from the raven fell onto the monk's cheek. The monk looked up, surprised, and saw the raven crying. Softly, the monk asked, "What's troubling you, my friend? Why are you so sad?" The raven sighed. "Oh, wise one, I'm tired of this life. Nobody loves me. People chase me away. No one offers me food. I'm hated everywhere I go. Sometimes I feel death would be better than this life." Hearing this, the monk's heart filled with compassion. He said gently, "My friend, happiness doesn't always come from changing who we are. Sometimes it's about understanding what we have." But the raven, lost in his sorrow, couldn't understand the monk's wisdom. He kept crying. So the monk smiled and said, "All right, if you could be anything in the world, what would you want to be?" The raven's eyes lit up. "A swan! Please make me a swan. They're beautiful, graceful, loved by everyone." The monk nodded. "I will. But first, go meet a swan, ask if he's truly happy. Then come back and tell me." Excited, the raven flew off in search of a swan. Soon, he found one, gliding elegantly across a pond. "You're so beautiful," the raven said. "Your feathers are white as snow. Everyone adores you. You must be the happiest bird in the world." But the swan looked down sadly. "No, my friend, I'm not happy. My white color, it feels plain. There are so many colors in the world and I have none. I think the parrot must be the happiest, so vibrant and full of life." The raven thanked him and flew away again, searching for a parrot. He found one perched on a branch, bright green with a red beak. "Parrot, you're so colorful and charming. People must love you. You must be so happy." The parrot sighed. "Not really. People do love me, but they trap me in cages. I live in fear. Any moment, someone might grab me and lock me up forever. I think the peacock must be the happiest bird. He's even more beautiful than me." Curious and a bit confused, the raven set off once more, now determined to find the peacock. Finally, in a zoo, he found him. Majestic, proud, but behind bars. Dozens of people gathered around the cage, admiring the peacock's glorious feathers. When they left, the raven flew close and whispered, "Peacock, you're stunning. So many admire you. You must be the happiest bird alive." The peacock looked at him, eyes full of sorrow. "I used to believe that. But because of my beauty, I'm trapped in this cage. People pluck my feathers to make decorations. It hurts. I'm not free. I'd give up all this just to fly freely like you do." The raven stood there, stunned. "Wait, you want to be like me?" he asked. The peacock nodded. "Yes. You're the only bird I've seen in this zoo who's not in a cage. You can fly wherever you want. Be whoever you want. That's true happiness." For the first time in his life, the raven felt something he never had before: gratitude. He flew back to the monk with a smile on his face. "Wise one," he said, "I don't want to be anyone else. I want to stay just the way I am." And just like the raven, so many of us live our lives comparing ourselves to others. We forget to appreciate what we have, always chasing what we don't. But the truth is, everyone is fighting a battle we don't see. Someone richer than you may be lonelier. Someone more beautiful may feel trapped. Someone with fame may crave freedom. So don't measure your worth by someone else's life. True happiness lies in accepting and loving yourself, just as you are. A person who is truly content with what they have is the happiest person in the world.